Hello guys, hope you're doing good. This is Syedmukarram. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. As we are completing the Tableau series, today is regarding the level of granularity and aggregation. We are we will be talking about that in details regarding aggregation and granularity. Let's get started regarding this, and this is what I do have discussed earlier on the session regarding in the sheet like long-term unemployment in United States, and this is the data of what we got from 2005 to 2015. So this is how the graph is time series graph coming towards from data, like you could see from January 2005 to you can see till Feb 2015. So let's see how things work on and what is level of granularity is like in-depth detail of the data, and aggregation is like cluster of combined things or n number of things in a particular cluster. So let's see how things looks and what is aggregation regarding this. See, let's see, this is what we measure in the aggregation. So the cluster or in the level of granularity we have is like in a months, in depth detail of months for the complete year, 10 years from 2005 to 2015. If I just remove it, see level of detail, what we will be having is just a single point of an unemployment that is like is equal to like 44 something lakhs, is equal to like nearly 44 crore something of data it's showing. It's like for 450 million, it's 45 crore. So let's see how see it's how the data gone into. It's like level of granularity just is it became like a single point of view. The granularity what we have is just a single point of view, and it just shows a single chart or graph regarding this, and we don't have any aggregation level like in the month or years of data. We don't have anything like that. And let's get the previous data of granularity what we have into the months. As we got this, let's check what into depth into the aggregation format. We need to do just aggregation measures. We need to just unbox it, and we could see how data looks like over here. Now it is bunch of data, and now just reshape it, make it into some shapes. Now you could see guys how data looks like over here. The dot, we do have the shapes of circles, small or dot we can say, and this is what about a level of aggregation we do have. It complete, it's like small clusters or combined a number of things to make a big cluster. So this is how the data looks like in depth for each and every row. It is showing what we have. It is completely from 2000 Feb, it's like Jan 2005 to complete data till we do have like Feb 2015, single row completely. This is how it is showing at the level of granularity of each and every data what we have in the data set. So we could see over here the mark is 1708 marks total what do you have in the data set or data. So let's make it more what we can do over this into the depth of aggregation level of each data. So let's put the gender 2 into the color size. See guys, now we got, this is just for the men what we have the data for, and now we could see we have added up the women's too, unemployment rate for the women's, and you could see over here level of aggregation in depth of how many rows and data what we have over here completely. And if we don't want level of aggregation in depth, so we could see aggregation as a measures. So it will be measured depend on the months what we have given. So let's click that. So this is how the chart looks like in terms of every month till what unemployment we have from like Jan 2005 to Feb 2015. This is for women's unemployment data, and this is for men's employment data. This is how the data looks like. And furthermore, if you want like if you are looking for like furthermore what's the age in depth. So ages, for what we have the data is like we can give coloring to the ages, in depth detail, or we want just take ages to the shape, because in depth it will give, yes, now in depth it will give the data towards the shape what we have. We could see we got n number of shapes of square, star, plus, so on. So this is for women orange, and this is blue completely, it is for the men. And you could see for the plus over here, guys, this is for 25 to 34 age, and the star what we have is of 45 to 54 age. The X cross mark we have is for 35 to 44, and then the box square we have is 20 to 24, and we have triangle is like we have 55 to 64, so on, guys. We have a complete data for ages what we have in the data set over here. We could have from 16 to 19 years, then 20 to 24 years, plus sign, then again 25 to 34, X for 35 to 44, so on till rectangle. We have the triangle, we have like 65 to years and above. Complete data what we have in depth, in terms of like level of granularity, in terms of months, and in depth completely from years. So let's see what it looks like in aggregation measures. See, the data is completely into bunch of clusters, so on, and it has 1000 again the marks each and every data. So because already we have done with aggregation measures, and we have taken genders too, so we can remove this one. Now we could see level of granularity what we have, and the shape of, and we need to remove shapes too, so that we could just look the level of granularity in the ages for men. And if you want to add women too, then it should be like it colors over here, like, yes, it's perfect right now. As we know, it's level of granularity in the months for men and women completely. Let's see furthermore what we can do over here for some of unemployment data. And we could see over here we can do like measures, we can do some of it, the data total unemployment in terms of from 2005 to 2015 completely, and then we can do average of the data. Could see how the graph is getting changes. It's now 600k. So let's see what we have. Previously it was like 4500k, and then we see the medium, it's 600k, and this is the highest point of men gender what we have. The unemployment, the medium unemployment, 6,53,000. This is for medium data. And then we can choose all the things what we have. It's like count, this is like how the count is look like, complete unemployment for that like month, and so on for the months from like 2005 to 2015. Then we have count distinct, and then we have like measures into like minimum, what we have the minimum of unemployment over here. Highest we could see minimum for women period in the month of like August 2011, 1,95,000. So this is how the thing is looks like completely, and we can like do complete calculation is like percentile. If we do percentile, we can do percentile too. It's on us what level of granularity we want, and what type of measurement or what type of things you're looking for. This is how 5% of data, 10% of data, that's all what we can do over here. And if you want to like do just you want to go back, and then we do Control Z. This is for just for bringing back the previous data what we have. See guys, this is what we are looking for, and this is what exactly is sum of unemployment data what we have, and highest over here is 43 lakh in the month of April 2010. This is state of United States for women and men. And for women, this is the highest unemployment data of 29 lakh 90,000 for September 2011. This is how things looks like, and in depth we have calculated the level of granularity and in the months and aggregation, like in terms of clustering and each and every small data pattern what we have completely in the Tableau. And again we can give like in-depth detail of labeling into gender. We could see we have labeling over here, men and women. We could able to see now we have labeled and it is showing men and women. We can further go and we can do a number of things over here what we need in-depth detail or something like that, so on. See, again we have added in-depth detail of like gender, for which gender category what we have, and this is just we are not giving it a shape, we are just giving in-depth detail of clusters, combined data, and for men and complete women. That's it guys. I think I hope you got everything regarding aggregation, granularity, each and everything on in Tableau. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment me in the comment section regarding this, and I will be hoping that I will be sorting you out anything regarding the issue. And if you have facing something anything regarding this on the Tableau series, if you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.